Hello everyone, good afternoon. First of all, we are from Group 18 Natural Language Processing, Machine Learning for Requirement Gathering, or User Stories. Before we start our present, let me introduce my team. My name is Leonardo Caprio, and he is Brian Sanjaya Hartono, and the last one is Dieta Adisatya. So we are from Computer Science Faculty, Venus University. This is the content of our manuscript or paper that we will present. So let's talk about the first one is introduction. Natural language processing is an artificial intelligence technology that serves to bridge the interaction between human communication and a machine. One of the development of NLP is the use of user story. User story are review or view in human language that provide information or filter information to increase the need or efficiency of an existing software. Next, aims and purpose. The aims of this paper to conduct research and practice regarding the state of research on application using their GET and natural language processing for selecting user stories. The purpose of this study is to provide an explanation of the use of natural language processing or NLP to translate human language into computer language. Next. From this aims, purpose, and introduction, so we have research question. The first one is what natural language processing technique are used to classify user stories, and the last one is what are the most optimal model of natural language processing for user story or requirement gathering. So before we start to answer our research question, our paper is based on systematic literature review. What is that? Systematic literature review is a method to use describe, identify, review, or theoretical basis for answering this question on a research topic that is made systematically and plain. This review is used to compile various structure of the SLR, which are usually used in various research fields such as technology, medicine, pharmacy, and others. The data we collect are journals that discuss natural language processing with requirement gathering is from 2017 and 2022. These data are reviewed and evaluated using the systematic data review method with the aims of obtaining descriptive results based on source and relate to the research topic. By using the SLR, evaluation and identification of journal can be carried out systematically at each stage with a subjective nature to provide at let's point of view from existing research. The next data review will be explained by Brian Sanjaya Hartono.
This is the result of our literature review. So we found that natural language processing or NLP is a part of artificial intelligence and linguistics that is devoted to making computer understand statement or words written in human language. The most popular application of NLP at this time and often used to improve the quality of the software is user stories. So computer cannot understand human language, therefore a natural language processing is needed to translate human language into programming language. So far, there are at least 57 techniques in the use of NLP. One of the use of NLP is to obtain a requirement or user stories. The way we obtain the user stories can be through various techniques and methods, such as natural language RV coefficient algorithm, goal model, hack algorithm, rule-based transformation, similarity analysis, etc. The machine learning or NLP approach has many benefits, including being able to approach software development and also in terms of using user stories. It is more low cost because there is no need to go directly to the field. Next slide. So this is an example of user stories. In the creation or collection of user stories, it's very possible to find two types, namely positive type user story and negative type user stories. The positive one is important to be able to concentrate on the work expectation of a software. The pattern of the positive user story is begin with positive user, through positive goal, and with positive action. But on the other hand, we must not forget negative user stories because it's also important to know some bad things that might be done to interfere the running of the software. So the pattern of the negative user story is begin with positive or negative user, through positive or negative goal, and end with negative action. It is should remember that before classifying user story using NLP, user stories must first determine the priority used based on the actors and function contained in user story for the purpose that the user story used in the software development has more optimal focus and purpose. So next one is the state of the art of our paper. So knowledge gap that we found from our reference paper is we still cannot find the optimum NLP model for user stories. So here we are looking for and doing some theoretical comparison for more optimal model that can be used to classify user stories using NLP. The next one is novelty that we provide based on the knowledge gap we found. So in this paper, we present two models that we use to classify user stories, namely BERT model and ROBETA model. The BERT model is the one of popular language management used today because it's managed a language from two directions. But there are several weaknesses. So from this BERT model, there are new model was developed based on the BERT model without using next sentence prediction or NSP. So it was named Roberta model. The novelty that we provide is also a list of NLP technique based on the reference paper that we use over the last 5 years to provide the most recent data. For example, the data showing that tokenization is the most widely used technique. The last one is knowledge contribution. So with the knowledge gap we found in other research paper, we try to solve problem by providing novelty or innovation. We research based on existing theory. With our research, we hope we can provide an explanation that the most optimum NLP model can be used for user story classification is the Roberta model. For the next slide, it will be explained by my friend Jata.
Okay, so the next one is research result. Our question number 1 is what natural language processing techniques are used to classify user stories? Based on the table above, NLP techniques that is often used in tokenization because this technique is include the pre-processing stage, which is the first step in NLP. Another NLP techniques that use is part of speech tagging that used to identify verb and noun phrase accurately by labeling each word in sentence such as nouns, verb, adjective, and adverbs. Lemmatization, name entity recognition, dependency parsing, position similarity, chunking, and semantic parsing. So this is analysis level in NLP, start from morphology until semantic. Our question number 2, what are the most optimal model of natural language processing for user stories or requirement gathering? There are 2 models that we use in this topic, such as BERT model and Roberta model. This NLP model can be applied to a language management for user story, but there are a difference between the 2 models, both in terms of language acceptance space, the work process of the model, and other. Many experts say that using NSP is considered better not use NSP, but this is true because the long-term dependency learning model is longer than when using a single sentence. Judging from the training carried out from the 2 models, it was found that the Roberta has a large amount of space of greater training than the BERT model alone. It should be noted that to meet the development of the software, it takes a lot of user story that can be provided by users. Therefore, it's very important that storage space and speed in data management are the main point in the NLP processing for the user story. In the end, the most optimal model in the NLP process for user story is Roberta model because the Roberta has a large amount of space of greater training than other model. Our conclusion and future work. These papers describe SLR methodology in machine learning or natural language processing for requirement gathering our user stories. We found about 30 papers that became reference for us to discuss this topic. This paper also show how user story plays an important role in the development of software and also show how to convert human language to logical language that can encode by computer system. With some of techniques are used in this paper to manage language. Besides some of techniques, we have such model that can apply in the paper, which become from some of techniques that we use. This model is BERT model and Roberta model. By the end of our research for the paper, we found that Roberta model is the best optimum model in this paper. For future research, where we can modify the model found in NLP user for language management and find out again whether there are NLP model other than BERT and Roberta which are superior and can be more effective, and find out in available techniques can be used currently for more effective management. So this is our reference. Okay, thank you for listening.